Hello, everybody. Hello, Karin.
Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone else.
Karin, in our work with our coaches, we notice that many times, regardless of the company they work for, some of them seem to relive the same day over and over again. It becomes exhausting, frustrating, and some of them leave the company only to find the same kind of boss with the new employer and the same kind of employees they never managed to get along with. Rather than looking at themselves and what they can improve. What are your thoughts on this topic, Karin?
Yeah, I wish I would have known about how much the thought process plays a role in the results we get in our life when I worked in the corporate world. So my biggest insight is if you focus too much on other people and what they should change, it doesn't get you anywhere. It's really about working on yourself. And when people get to the level of frustration where they're actually ready to change the company, it often happens that they think about what they want to get away from rather than really focusing on what they want to move towards. Be very clear what has to be different. Now, when they focus on what they want to get away from, this is the school of life. They will have to relive the same experience over and over again. It doesn't matter how often they change the company. And this is true for relationships as well. Actually, in anything in our life, we get to relive experiences if we are not willing to learn from them. So, this would be my insight about be aware how you think.
So you have to be mindful of your own thoughts. Do they hinder you or do they help you move forward?
Correct.
This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.